Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Smart Solutions. And in this video, guys, we're going to be discussing on how you can withdraw application from Accenture step by step, guys. So first things first, if you try to do this from the actual, Accenture career website, you cannot withdraw your job application. What you need to be doing, guys, is you need to go to the My Workday Jobs portal of Accenture. So you can find this in this link right here. I'm going to open it up for you and show you. So basically, when you apply through this link, guys, it's like, their partner portal. Okay, it's not the actual portal, and we're applying through my Workday jobs instead. So when you come here, so Accenture is basically partnered with them. Okay, so they're giving the careers, but you're applying through my Workday jobs. So if you use their actual portal, you cannot remove your job listings. So you need to create an account here and then, apply to whatever jobs you want through Accenture. And then you just want to, uh, apply for jobs like you would for any other My Workday jobs portals. And then, of course, guys, you don't want to be clicking on search career in the top right corner to search for new jobs in Accenture. You don't want to click here. What you want to be doing instead is you because look, if you click here, guys, what's going to happen is it's going to redirect you to the actual Accenture. Look, you see, it took you to the normal Accenture website. You can't be doing this. What you need to do is you want to remove the user slash home, okay, from the search bar, and you want to link to this, okay. So when you come here, guys, what you're going to be doing is you want to search through the job number, okay? Search by the job number, which you copied from the real Accenture site, and then you can make new applications from here. Now, if you make applications from here, guys, you can actually withdraw applications later, and you can also make new applications, okay? So it's literally that easy and simple. So I hope this video helped you guys. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to our channel. Turn on those notifications so you get notified of the next upload. And I'll see you guys in the next